morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to presentation about PSI. Before I start this presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dorian Aswad. You can call me Intan. I am Dental Travis College student in Health Polytechnic in Semarang. The first slide, you can see the topic of SI, bottle feeding as a cause of tooth decay. This is the part of SI. For SI have three parts. First, introduction. Second, body. Third, conclusion. For the introduction consists of three parts. First, background. Second, thesis statement. Third, outline. I will begin by discussing the introduction of SI. The development of the baby depends on the chronology of the growth and the eating habits, one of which is bottle feeding. As time goes by, bottle feeding is increasing and most children in urban areas rely on bottle milk as a source of nutrition. However, bottle feeding can cause tooth decay or well known as early childhood caries. This essay will discuss bottle feeding as one of the causes of tooth decay and how to prevent it. This essay will discuss three things. First, this section describes the definition of early childhood caries. The second section investigates bottle milk for a baby is a cause of tooth decay, such as early childhood caries. Third, ways to prevent early childhood caries or tooth decay. And moving away from a focus on definition of early childhood caries. Before further discussion, it is important to clarify the definition of early childhood caries. Early childhood caries or bottle milk caries is an infectious disease that develops in the mouth that can cause children to experience health problems, or it can also be called chronic tooth decay syndrome. This is a sample image from ACC or early childhood caries. And moving away from focus on why bottle feeding can cause ACC or early childhood caries. Bottle feeding at bedtime or before bedtime with the bottle stem in the oral cavity is one of the causes of early childhood caries. Bottle feeding in this way for a long time, such as 2 years or more, will reduce the flow of saliva and the saliva will thicken, so that it reduces the salivary cleansing effect. This condition will improve the quality of cariogenic bacteria. Usually, parents give bottle of milk to children continuously and without cleaning the child mouth. This lack of knowledge is one of the factors that cause caries. And moving away from a focus on how to prevent. Prevention can be done by increasing the knowledge of parents, especially about children's oral health, in order to avoid oral and dental disease. In addition, parents can clean the child's mouth after drinking milk by cleaning the gum or tooth areas using grass cloth or rag, instructing the child to rinse his mouth with water or brush his teeth, and moving away from a focus on conclusion. Evidence shows the bottle feeding can lead to early childhood caries by bottle feeding for a long period of time, which is approximately 2 years. Several authors stated that other causes of early childhood caries were the lack of the parental knowledge of how to bottle feeding children and the lack of knowledge on how to prevent early childhood caries after bottle feeding. I advise parents to pay more attention to dental and oral hygiene after feeding bottles or other sweet drinks to avoid tooth decay or early childhood caries. That's all my presentation. Thanks for your attention. I hope the presentation can benefit to everyone. Thank you.